Dear Monmouth College class of 2020, it is said that 2020 is when someone has perfect vision. It's when someone can see things clearly. Well, class of 2020, we want you to know that even though your time as Monmouth College seniors hasn't ended as planned, this is still your year of clarity.
Although commencement is a time to celebrate your achievements, remember, it's more than just the walk.
You have accomplished so much in the last 4 years, and that should make you proud. Take pride in how far you have come and have faith in how far you will go.
We have interacted and watched you blossom since your freshman year.
We feel honored to be a part of your college journey, whether as your mentors, orientation leaders, fraternity and sorority life bigs, residence life staff, classmates, teammates, and friends. In turn, now you will be the leaders for future Scots who will soon follow in your footsteps for the years to come.
Life brings you many challenges. As a fighting Scot, I know you have the grit to overcome and champion all.
We have Scots grit. Scots are resilient. We stand tall like a bagpiper, and we march forward proudly and defiantly.
For some, graduating from college is an expectation, but for many others, it is a dream that seemed almost unachievable. But you did it. We see you, and we are proud of you.
Now that you have conquered this essential milestone, we want to encourage you to keep pressing forward and overcome every obstacle set in your path.
This is to the hardworking student who spent countless hours ensuring that they were prepared for an exam. To the first generation college student who will inspire the generations that come after them. To the international student who was brave enough to leave their home country to pursue their degree. To the undocumented student who refused to be invisible in academia. To the student who doesn't even know how they made it this far. To the seniors who missed out on their final memories. We stand with you.
Always know that Monmouth will be a place to call home, and we are excited to call you fellow alumni.
You all should be endlessly proud of how far you've come and so excited for the future ahead of you. So strive to be the very best at whatever path you choose to take.
Class of 2020, thank you so much for all of the memories and for carrying on the Tartan legacy of dreaming boldly and living life fully.
Remember, you are the class of 2020 vision, 2020 passion, and 2020 purpose. Because in a time of chaos, you chose to see the finish line clearly, and you finished the race.
You are different.
You are remarkable.
You are amazing.
You're incredible.
You are brilliant.
You are outstanding.
You are impeccable.
You are courageous.
You are bold.
You are brave.
And above all,
you are fighting Scots.
Oh, that was so much better, y'all.
That was good. I felt that one.
Yeah.